Hey guys, it's Bailey here. And this week I'm going to be playing Battle for Atlantis. This was an independently made game in 1990 by a guy named William Solow. Interesting fact about this game is that he created it not to really promote himself, but to promote the use of electronics and computer programming functions, and I thought that was pretty cool. But he ran his own gaming company and made a couple independent games. And this is one of them that I found. It's pretty similar to Risk, as I've played a little bit and got a little familiar with it. But yeah, let's hop right in. So I guess they give you a difficulty that you can start off with. It says 4 is the average, so let's do 4. How many armies are possible? Let's say we want 3. Okay. So we are the Olympians, so we're the blue. And pressing a key, and you play the game completely using your your keypad and all the number keys. Let's see who's gonna be going first. Titans. Okay. So it's giving us 4 armies to use. And so the top number on all of these islands is the name of the island. And then the bottom number is how many people are on, or armies they say are on your island. It's kind of risk based, only there's not the ability for you to use dice to kind of help influence it. It's just a random computer generated simulation to see who would win based off of the numbers. Let's see. It looks like we must have our own island there on the far right side, so I guess we can try and fill that one out. So let's give island 29 all 4 of them. All right. So these little option buttons are what we're allowed to do. A is to attack an island. P is to pass your turn. S is to go to the screen. Q is to either exit, start a new game, or just quit the game in general. M lets you move armies from one island to another. Doesn't really let you do more than one. As I come to figure that out. I haven't seen what O does yet. What does O do? Oh, it just messes with the sound. Alright, so we're going to attack island 28, so you have to input the name of the island and then the island you're attacking from. So I'm attacking 28 and 29. So the first attack didn't work, so it's asking me if I want to attack again. So yes, I want to attack. So it looks like, come on. Wow, so I lost even though I had an overwhelming advantage against them. Ooh, and I lost an island. Oh, wow, okay. Oh, I've managed to keep that one out of the Argonauts? Out of the hands of the Argonauts. Okay, now I really feel like I have to take that island back, because that's just not fair. I'm going to fill 27 with all 3 of the armies that I have, and I'm going to attack 28 again. Oh, come on. From 27. Attack again. Yes. Yay! Okay, so we have to keep 1 person on every island, so the most we can put on another island is 2. Let's attack 29 from 30. No, yeah, 29 from 30. So, attacking 30 from, sorry. Oh, no, we're attacking 29 from 30. Wow, I immediately lost that. Okay. That's not good. Oh, wow. Okay, we're losing all of our territories. Oh, this is really not good. Now we only get 2. Ugh. Okay, we need to fortify this island as much as possible because it seems like this is going to be the last stand. So we can attack 29 again from 28. Oh, wow, immediately won. Nice. Okay, so now let's move on to 30. See if we can finally get this island under control. Yay! Alright, we've got a good deal of people on Island 4, a good deal of people on Island 32. I can probably try and take 31 from 32. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay, never mind. And as soon as you've probably seen, when you lose a battle, you immediately lose your turn. You don't get to keep going. Which kind of sucks, but, you know. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna lose this. It looks like starting to approach the end of the time. I could probably keep playing this for another hour, hour and a half. Just trying to win this out. It looks like it will probably take some good time. But yeah, this is Battle for Atlantis by William Solow. It's a pretty fun game. Doesn't really need to explain itself a lot. All the mechanics are self-explanatory. But yeah, that's it. You guys have a great day. See you later.